Today, I would like to talk to you about another interesting word in Portuguese, vontade. This word is used in common daily expressions and usually is not covered in the workbooks. I will walk you through its main uses. Mastering this word will definitely make you sound like a native. If you enjoyed my content, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to receive notifications. It's a simple gesture that will help me grow my channel. I am so close to getting 7,000 subscribers. On my Patreon page, check out all my perks and you can access my exclusive content. It's a simple way to support me starting at only $1 a month. It's like buying me a bica once a month. E agora, vamos começar! The word vontade is a noun. It means wish, will, and intention, or purpose. A very interesting thing about vontade is the meanings it can get when combined with other words forming fixed expressions. Let's take a look at some of the most common uses and situations where you can find it. In the sense of wish, the word vontade can be used as ter vontade de or estar com vontade de, meaning being in the mood for something, feeling like doing something. Let's take a look at some examples. Não tenho vontade de fazer os trabalhos de casa. I don't feel like doing my homework. Estás com vontade de ir correr? Are you in the mood to go running? Ter vontade de and estar com vontade de can be used interchangeably with the verb apetecer. To say, I feel like having an ice cream, you can say, tenho vontade de comer gelado, estou com vontade de comer gelado, apetece-me comer gelado. Dar vontade de is normally used as makes me want to do something. Filmes românticos dão-me vontade de chorar. Romantic movies make me want to cry. Another interesting expression is fazer as vontades, meaning to humor, to comply with someone's wishes in order to keep them happy. É facto que os avós fazem as vontades aos netos. It's a fact that grandparents indulge their grandchildren. When meaning will, there are other expressions commonly found when speaking to Portuguese native speakers. Ter força de vontade, to have willpower. O João teve muita força de vontade para deixar de fumar. João had a lot of willpower to quit smoking. Contra a sua vontade, against its will. Assinei os papéis contra a minha vontade. I signed the papers against my will. De livre e espontânea vontade is at one's own free will. Ela decidiu despedir-se do emprego de livre e espontânea vontade. She decided to quit her job at her own free will. When meaning intention or purpose, we have ter boa vontade, meaning you have good intentions, good will towards something. Carolina tem boa vontade, mas não consegue cantar. Carolina has good intention, but can't sing. On the opposite side, we have com má vontade, to do something with bad will, with bad intentions. Not very interested in helping out, making things more difficult than needed. A Maria está com má vontade em ajudar. Maria is not interested in helping. As you've probably already noticed, in some of our videos, the combination of prepositions with some words is a common trait of the Portuguese language. Today is no exception with the word vontade. Take a look. À vontade is the combination of the preposition a plus the noun vontade, and it's used to qualify a way of doing something, meaning at ease. As in, ela chegou à festa à vontade. She came to the party at ease. But also in the sense of feeling comfortable. Ela não sentiu à vontade naquela situação. She did not feel comfortable in that situation. This is also a very popular expression in Portugal when welcoming someone to your house. Está à vontade. Make yourself comfortable. If you like this type of basic expressions to get around in Portugal, check out my video, Portuguese Survival Guide. Next, we have de boa vontade, or de má vontade. This means willingly or unwillingly. O meu sobrinho faz tudo o que lhe peço de boa vontade, or you can add the opposite, de má vontade. My nephew does anything I ask him willingly or unwillingly. I like to share a popular Portuguese saying perfect for today's topic that includes the word vontade. It is à vontade, mas não à vontadinha. This means at ease, but not too at ease. This saying is very common to be seen on news articles and TV shows. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and now feel more confident on using or picking up the word vontade in Portuguese. Were you aware of all these uses? Leave a like and a comment. It's so great to hear from you guys. Boa semana!